so much to learn about. It'll make you want to shout, Blippi!
Hey, it's me, Blippi. Have you ever been to a water park and went down a water slide? They are so much fun. Hey, why don't you and I draw a water slide together? Okay, I'm gonna draw a green water slide. First, I'm gonna start by drawing a letter S. Wow, what a great letter. Wow, it looks so cool. I love the letter S. Okay, then we'll draw another letter S right next to it, and then we'll connect them just like that. Whoa, with a small oval down there. And then let's draw a square up here. This is how you get into the water slide. And you can't forget about the ladder. Whoa, just like that, with some lines for the steps. Whoa, and then what's it missing? Water! Yeah! You spit out at the bottom and then go into the water. Whoa, they are so fun! I love water slides and I love drawing with you. If you want to draw more with me, all you have to do is search for my name. Will you spell my name with me? Yeah. Ready? B-L-I-P-P-I. Blippi. All right, see you again. Bye-bye. Hey, it's me, Blippi. Do you see me? Yeah. Do you see how I'm wearing glasses? Why don't we draw my glasses together? Yeah. All right, they're pretty hard to draw, but I think you got this. First, let's start with a long straight line. There we go, for the top. And then 2 bubbles, half circles. There we go. Perfect. And then you have to draw the arms. Yeah, that's what holds them onto your face, your ears. All right, there we go, a little hook. Perfect. And then one over here. Whoa, wow, don't those look good? Yeah. Well, since they're my glasses, maybe we can color them in with orange. Woohoo! All right, there we go. Whoa, I love drawing and coloring, and I love my glasses. Whoa! Well, this is the end of this video, and if you want to keep drawing with me, all you have to do is search for my name. Will you spell my name with me? Ready? B-L-I-P-P-I. Blippi. See you again. Bye-bye. Hey, it's me, Blippi. And do you see my drawing pad? Do you know what shape this is? Yeah, it's a rectangle. Hey, why don't you and I draw some shapes together today? All right, let's pick blue. All right, let's start with a circle. Yeah, you know how to draw a circle. Yeah, a circle is one continuous line, and it continues all the way back to where it started with no sharp corners. Cool, so that is a circle. All right, let's take purple, and let's draw a square. All right, and it is 4 corners that are 90 degrees each. So here's one line, another line, another line, and another line. And that right there is a square. Whoa, hey, and I have a really tricky one. Yeah, and it's part of our bodies, our heart. Oh, because I love you. Here we go. There we go. Wow, what a beautiful heart. Well, if you want to keep drawing with me, all you have to do is search for my name. Will you spell my name with me? Ready? B-L-I-P-P-I. Blippi. All right, see you again. Bye-bye.
Hey, it's me, Blippi Bunny.
Just kidding, it's me, Blippi, and I was just acting like a bunny. Hey, why don't we draw a bunny together today? Wow, I love bunnies. They are so cute and fluffy. All right, let's draw the head. There we go, nice circle. Ooh, and let's draw the ears. They have big, tall ears. Yeah, there we go. Whoa, and now let's draw the face. 2 circles for the eyes. Ooh, a circle for the nose. Oh, and then down here, yeah, let's draw the buck teeth. There we go. And speaking of buck, yeah, an adult male is called a buck. Yeah, an adult female bunny is called a doe, and a child is called a kit. Isn't that cute? Whoa. All right, let's draw on the eyes. There we go. Can't forget about the big whiskers. There we go! So cute. Well, if you want to keep drawing with me, all you have to do is search for my name. Will you spell my name with me? Ready? B-L-I-P-P-I. Blippi. See you again. Bye-bye. Whoa! Hey, it's me, Blippi. Did you hear that? Sounds like a monster truck. Whoa! I love monster trucks and I love drawing. Let's draw a monster truck together. First, let's start with the cab right up top. Whoa, that's where the driver sits. And then, yeah, let's make a big rectangle right here. But instead of connecting it, we need to make space for the big tires with half circles. All right, and how does the monster truck cab attach to the tires? With giant shocks! Yeah! All right, there we go. And what's it missing? Giant wheels and tires! Yeah! So 2 big circles right there, and 2 big circles right there. And then a square for a window. Wow! Now, does that look like a monster truck, or does that look like a monster truck? Yeah! Well, if you want to draw some more with me, all you have to do is search for my name. Will you spell my name with me? Yeah! B-L-I-P-P-I. Blippi. All right, see you again. Hey, it's me, Blippi. Do you like to draw? I do too. Hey, I have an idea. Why don't we draw a lizard together? Wow, lizards are so cool. Yeah, it's an animal and it's a reptile, and they live on every continent on planet Earth, except for Antarctica. Whoa. All right, first let's start with the head. All right, here we go. Whoa, what kind of shape does that look like? Kind of looks like a pentagon. Yeah, and then the body. Oh, there we go. Ooh, and then the tail way over here. Whee! Whoa! How does that look? And what's it missing? Yeah, it's 4 limbs. One right here. One right here. One right here. And one right here. Oh, and we can't forget the eyes and the nostrils and the tongue. There we go. Wow! If you want to draw more with me, all you have to do is search for my name. Will you spell my name with me? Ready? B-L-I-P-P-I. Blippi. See you again. Bye-bye. Happy birthday! Yeah! Hey, it's me, Blippi. And since it's someone's birthday out there, why don't we draw a birthday cake together? Whoa, I love birthday parties. They're so much fun. Yeah, because big group of people get together around the cake, they sing happy birthday, and then whoever's birthday it is, they blow out the candles. Whoa, and then you get to eat the cake. So yummy. So let's draw a straight line. Then the first layer of the cake. There we go. And then let's draw the second layer of the cake. Oh, this is gonna be a big, tasty cake. Ooh, and let's draw 3 small rectangles. Yeah, these are the candles because this person is turning 3 years old. Ooh, and can't forget about the little flames up top. There we go. So then they can blow them out. But we're not done yet. We need some icing. Yum! Wow. Well, if you want to keep drawing with me, all you have to do is search for my name. Will you spell my name with me? Ready? B-L-I-P-P-I. Blippi. See you later. Bye-bye.
Come on, everyone, let's make learning fun. Blippi. So much to learn about, it'll make you wanna shout, Blippi!